So in today's video, we're going to focus specifically on automation of the routed optical network, the actual approach we've taken here at Cisco. And what you're going to find is, as I've said in the beginning, at Cisco, we believe in enabling an open network, an open architecture, enabling you, the provider, the customer, to build what you define as best in breed. That doesn't change for automation either. We follow that same principle. We built our automation solution based on standard and open forum efforts. What us in the industry, what we've been doing together in the industry to provide open solutions. What we've embraced is the hierarchical model. The hierarchical model is similar to the IETF model built on the ACTN group. And what it calls for is having a hierarchical HCO, a hierarchical controller, that is how you interface into the network. You interface through the HCO. The HCO is going to give you that single pane of glass, to give you your visualization. It's going to give you connectivity. It's going to give you some event awareness assurances across the network. And it's going to enable third-party interop. It does this by leveraging industry standard service models, industry-defined models from ONF's TAPI models to the IETF models, to the Open ROADM service models. Here, I'm going to be able to speak in a common language to domain controllers. These domain controllers are now acting on the network itself. In essence, I have my hierarchical controller talking service models down to my domain controllers, which actually act on the network, and they communicate directly to the network elements. The domain controllers actually collect, build, and compute, as well as deploy. The main role of these domain controllers is to enable us to scale across vendors, across domains, domain being defined as a different function within your network. For example, IP and optical. I can have an IP controller, that's a domain or area controller, and an optical domain or area controller. The key is these controllers also communicate southbound in an open format as well. Typically, they use device models. These device models can be generated within Open ROADM or Open Config, as well as can be proprietary. These device models are typically realistically hidden from the user in essence, because the interaction of the user is from the controller perspective. They communicate via the HCO or the hierarchical controller, or they communicate through the domain controllers, depending on your architecture. As I said, at Cisco, we really want to embrace openness. We really want to enable a best-in-breed network defined by you, our customers, on what best-in-breed is. I hope you want to learn more about our automation solutions and our architectures moving forward. And if so, please feel free to reach out to your account team, or feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to have a further communication on these architectures going forward. Thank you for your time, and I really look forward to our next discussion. Thank you.